Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a mini tortilla cheese crust pizza with sausage. And we're going to use our small flour tortillas. And our Oscar Mayer smoked sausages. Yeah, they're hardwood smoked sausages. They're good. Yeah, we just chop up some green onion. Everything tastes better with green onion. Okay. Put that in a bowl. See, there goes one there. They always get away from me, these things. They roll around. Okay. Now we just cut up a couple of these sausages from Oscar Mayer. These really smell good. They're smoky. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I think we're going to cut these on a pretty good angle. Okay, put them in a bowl. Alright. Now all we have to do is start cooking. Set your burner to medium low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. Put our tortilla in the middle. Just like that. Now we got to add our cheese. All right. Just like that. Now we're going to add this on top of that one. But first we have to wet the bottom one first a little bit on the edge so it sticks. Okay. Now we can add our top one. Put that right over it. Now if you have a bowl or a plate or anything you have with a ridge around the edge, you could push down on the outer edge. Just like that. And I'll make it nice and tight. And what it does is it makes a ring around there and sticks the bottom one to the top one. And if it doesn't, you can always push down on it. So you can do it again if you want. Just push down. There you go. Now there's cheese in that crust. Now we can build our pizza. Pretty neat, huh? Now we just add a little bit of our sauce. And spread that around. Okay. Now we just add some of our sausages. Always seems like I cut too many of these, but they're good though. They have a really good flavor, smoked and everything. They're good. I think that's enough sausage for that little pizza. Some more cheese on top. Now you can use grated cheese, which I might, but I can just put I can put little strips here and there. Make it look nice. You can do what you want. It's your pizza. Think it's enough on there yet? Maybe not. I don't know. I love cheese. I know a lot of people like cheese, but whoop. Got a little piece over here. Get him out before he sticks. He don't stick in that pan though. Okay, now we'll just spritz it with a little bit of green onion. It's a cute little pizza, isn't it? That's enough green onion, I think. And you can put a tiny bit of spinach leaves I have left over, so you put them on there if you want. It's getting thicker. Seems like everything I make gets bigger. You know, it's like usually feeds the neighborhood or something. Now I was gonna put some more of this cheese on, but I think I'm gonna put something different on, like sharp cheese. Yeah, we'll just put a little sharp cheese on there. Just a little bit, you know, to make it look nice. Plus, the sharp cheese tastes good. And there you go. Now we just cover that and let that cook for a while. And now we just put some of this stuff away. And we got enough to make another one if we want to. Okay, let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, the cheese definitely melted. And the edges are getting a little toasty, so they're good. Bottom looks good. Alright, all we have to do now is plate that up. Alright, let's get that little guy out of there. Yeah, oop, he's skidding around in there. There he is, right there. Boy, that looks tasty. It really does. Look how cute that little mini tortilla cheese crust pizza is. I bet you that's tasty though, with that cheese crust. And more cheese on top. Yep, and the sausage. Let's see if we can cut that. Pretty good. There's one. Let's go the other way. Where's that sausage at? There it is. Alright. And now we'll just add a little more garlic. You can never have too much garlic, I think. A little bit of pepper. And you can put a little oregano on there if you want. Just a little bit. Yeah, I just gotta have a little taste. Oh yeah, the cheese in that crust. You can see it right there. All through there. Oh, is that good? The crust is just beautifully crunchy. The cheese, it's got plenty of cheese. And I just got a little bite of sausage there. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, there you have it, folks. A mini tortilla cheese crust pizza. Yep, with sausage. Plenty of cheese. And you could make quite a few of these, and you know, if you have guests over or something like that, they're going to really enjoy these. They're a really nice snack right there. Speaking of snacks, I'm going to get into this one. Yep. Definitely the kitchen's gonna wait to get cleaned up here because I'm gonna get into this cheese crust pizza here. Man, is that tasty. Where the heck did the mouse go? That sounds normal.